Hi, my name is Angela Zhang, and this is my term project for 15112 Fundamentals of Programming and Computer Science. For my term project, I made a digital version of the popular board game Settlers of Catan. This is my game. So at the start, you have your launch screen. You can hit 3 to see the instructions. I wrote out instructions, but since most players don't actually read instructions, the basics are that you click on vertices to put down settlements, and 2 vertices to put down a road, and the rest of the game is driven by button events. So now press 2 to launch the actual game. This board is randomly generated each time, so like if I wanted a new game, then it'll be a different board, and every time you play this game, it'll have a different configuration. Now, at the start of the game, each player gets to put down 2 settlements and 2 roads, but for fairness, the first player can only put down 1, and then the second player will get to put down 2 settlements in a row. Normally, you start off with 0 of all your resources. I'm starting off at 20 so I can show you the different features of this game, but when you end your turn, you would get 1 of each resource that you're by. Then when you roll the dice, if you have a settlement adjacent to a tile with that die roll, you acquire 1 of that resource for each settlement you have by it. Each settlement is worth 1 victory point. If you upgrade a settlement to a city, not only do you get 2 of the adjacent resources, but it's also worth 2 victory points. So player 2 currently has 1, 2, 3 victory points. And we have 3 victory points. However, you can also acquire victory points other than expansion from development cards. So like soldiers. If you get the most soldiers and more than 3 soldiers out of everybody, then you get bonus 2 victory points. Oh, we just got the Monopoly card, so I can pick like wheat. And all of the other players' wheat just became mine, so like you can see this player now has no wheat. Oh, and you have to roll the dice each turn. So if you buy development cards, oh, we have 3 soldiers now, so we have an extra 2 victory points. So we have 5 victory points. And we just got a card that lets us build an extra road, so I'll build some more roads and settlements so that we can win this game. Currently at 8 victory points. We got another soldier, another soldier. Soldiers are the most common development card, but there's also bonus victory point cards. We just got 1 of those, so we're at 9 victory points. And now I will just do this. So, now player 2 has won the game. Congratulations, you won the game. And now you can run a new game. However, if you are playing this game and then you want to go do something else, then I've also added the feature of being able to save and load games. So, this is what our game currently looks like. Let's do some things so that this game looks special. So, we can save this game. I'll name my save game 1 because I'm creative like that. And now, if I hit new game, it'll generate a new board with new features like usual. However, I can load an existing game, and now we'll go back to our previous configuration. And that is about it for my term project. Thank you for listening.